Hey everyone, welcome to the show. If you hear weird noises, it's not my stomach. It is puppies that I'm fostering right now. Anyway, I have news for you guys on how health insurance is going to skyrocket, is poised to skyrocket because of the changes made to the health insurance industry and ACA and so forth, which I'll explain. But it is going to increase up to 75%. So that's what you could end up paying next year for your health insurance policy, thanks in large part to the big but ugly bill, the big billionaire bill that the Republicans passed a few weeks back. Between that and then the typical yearly hikes that insurance companies are planning, far fewer Americans are going to be able to afford health insurance. So it's just going to go back to the way it was, where people are just uninsured. The Kaiser Family Foundation dug into the numbers, and according to their analysis, people who obtain a health insurance plan through the Affordable Care Act, they're going to see a median increase of 15%. And they said more than a quarter of insurance companies are planning to increase their policies by at least 20%. But like I said, it could rise as high as or increase as much as 75% for some plans, because the Republicans chose not to extend those Biden era subsidies for the Affordable Care Act plans, which, again, for people, that's Obamacare. The Washington Post reported that this change or these changes, these will affect up to 24 million Americans. And a lot of people have no idea that they're even included in these figures, because every state has a different name for the ACA. A lot of people don't even realize that they are on Affordable Care Act, Obamacare. So, for example, in California, the website is called Covered California. And if you're signed up for Medicaid coverage through the Covered California website, it can be even more confusing because it's called Medi-Cal, but that's only in California. And a lot of Medicaid cuts aren't even going to kick in until after the midterms, because, of course, Republican lawmakers wanted to trick everyone. They didn't want their voters to know how much they screwed them over until it's too late. And the people who are going to get hit the hardest are the working poor and the middle class, because, you may be making just enough that you no longer qualify for the Affordable Care Act and for the subsidies, but yet the increased premiums are going to be too expensive for you. So again, a lot of people are just going to forego health insurance altogether. But Lord knows, the corporate ghouls on both sides of the aisle can't justify free health care for us, right? We just can't do it, can't afford it. We can send billions of dollars to other countries, and their people have free health care, but not Americans, right? Not when they need our money, our tax dollars, to slaughter innocent men, women, and babies in other countries. God forbid that you actually save lives by giving people in America health insurance. So there you go, guys. We are looking at skyrocketing health insurance costs, and that's just the premiums. Doesn't even include your copays, your deductibles, anything out of pocket. Yeah. All right. I will let you know if I hear any more. Thank you all so much for watching and listening. Please like, please share, and subscribe. Please donate if you can. Love you all. Take care. Talk with you soon.